If you are looking for a platform that fractionalizes and tokenizes real world assets, we're talking about RWAs like luxury goods, real estate, and commodities, then Fermion Protocol is for you. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for only educational purposes only. Okay, so as stated, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. We have what is known as Fermion Protocol. You guys, this right here is literally next level, right? And I'm going to tell you guys right now, they do have a massive amount of features, and their token actually provides a lot of utilities. You're actually going to love this. So if we kind of take a look here, we got planetary scale decentralized infrastructure network for all verified physical RWAs. I like that. All right. And you guys can see right here, we had the public sale. Looks like it has been completed. Take a look at the tokenomics, you guys, breaking it down for you. We got the team, we got the foundation, we got the ecosystem fund, we got liquidity bootstrapping, we got stake drop, we got private sales, and we even have that public sale. Now, if we take a look here, you guys can see that you're going to be able to register for airdrops and rewards, which is good. We got earn rewards by using their incentivized testnet. We'll talk more about that here in just a few moments. Now, as I mentioned, you guys, if we just kind of scroll to the downside, you guys need to understand that there is some important details here, especially about this overall project, right? So what are we going to be talking about here? Well, if we take a look here, as stated, we got that planetary scale decentralized infrastructure network. So there are a few important things to mention here, okay? So you guys can actually see right here, we're talking about high value commerce. So technically they're going to be launching into the $1 trillion high value commerce market, including collectibles, luxury watches, luxury wines, and we even have spirits and art. Not only that, we even have real estate. We're talking about $10 trillion real estate market, including residential properties. We got commercial properties and land assets. We even got commodities. You guys, we're talking about literally over $100 million, right? So I need you guys to understand, whenever it comes to commodities, we got like precious metals, energy sources, agriculture products, and we have raw materials, okay? So as we kind of mentioned already, you guys, with these RWAs, we are talking about fractional ownership, you guys. So it's going to be easy for anyone to actually own a small portion of expensive assets. So as I've already briefly mentioned, you know, we're talking about like watches, we got wine, and we even have art. Now, they even have what is known as end-to-end tokenization. So ladies and gentlemen, you are going to be able to list, as you can see right here, you're going to be able to tokenize, and you're going to be able to trade assets all in one single place, right? And not only that, you guys, as we kind of briefly mentioned up here at the top, we have what is known as the test net, okay? So this test net, you guys need to understand that users can actually test the platform. You're going to be able to earn what is known as XP points and potentially receive future rewards. So you can actually see right here, you're going to be able to earn XP for your interactions with new items added weekly, right? Top participants will be remembered for future rewards, which is actually pretty cool. Now, getting to the token, you guys will see right here that we do have a lot of important details, a lot of important utility. So we're talking about a multi-purpose token, okay? So you guys, it is used for governance, right? You're gonna be able to help make decisions, especially whenever it comes to the project, right? Which is good. Not only that, but also what you guys to understand, we got transaction fees. So whenever it comes to the, Fermion applies, right? The Fermion token, it applies a fee on all transactions, which is set by the Fermion DAO. So sellers may reduce their fees by staking Fermion. Then this locks up Fermion and reduces circulating supply. Okay, very important you guys understand that. Not only that, you guys, we've got liquidity incentives as well, right? Incentives, okay? So we're talking about, you guys, we got buyback and burn, right? You guys need to understand that. So you guys need to clearly recognize that we're talking about 5% revenue buyback and burn. You guys, this is going to be creating scarcity and boosting the token's value, okay, which is actually really cool, okay? So once again, you guys, we are talking about this massive market, you guys, of literally over what, 1 trillion, 10 trillion, $100 trillion, which is actually pretty big. If you guys take a look up here, you guys will see we have technology, which is actually very important. So once again, we got like watches, as I mentioned, we got wine, we got real estate, we have so much, you guys. So the market expansion here, you guys, I mean, you guys need to understand that, you guys, this is going to blow up in my opinion, all right? You guys need to understand it's going to go into the $1 trillion high value asset market before expanding into real estate and commodities, right? As I kind of showed you, 1 trillion, 10 million, and all the way to 100 trillion, okay? So you guys will see right here, we got a lot of stuff happening. We've got use Fermion, right? You guys can see right here, sell, verify, custody. We got community, we got build, and more, okay? So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, let's freaking get it. And ladies and gentlemen, do not forget, you really need to dive down into their social medias. So we're talking about their Twitter, their X, literally over 50,000 followers. You need to make sure that you smash up them heart buttons and make sure you guys show some love here. Big opportunity as stated, right? A lot of things happening. Look at that, you guys. We got an epic challenge, right? Stuff going down. And more importantly, you guys, make sure you check out their light paper. There's probably a lot more information than what I'm telling you today right here in this bad boy. So there we have it. We got Fermion Protocol in the house, guys. We're talking about the next level project, as I mentioned at the very beginning of this video. So make sure that you check out the links down below. More importantly, you guys, smash up that like button, leave some comments, and please subscribe.